Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks Invoice not sending issues quickly. Yeah, if your invoices aren't being delivered or emails are failing, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to get paid on time. But most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you check a few important things. So first, verify your email settings inside QuickBooks. Make sure your email address is entered correctly and your email service is properly configured because incorrect settings can block invoices from sending. Next, check your internet connection. Yeah, a slow or unstable connection can interrupt the sending process and cause email failures. After that, confirm the customer's email address is correct. Even a small typo can prevent the invoice from being delivered successfully. Also, check your email spam or junk folder. Sometimes sent invoices may be filtered incorrectly, so it's worth verifying where they end up. And yeah, make sure your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and improve email functionality, which can resolve sending issues. Finally, if the problem continues, try resending the invoice or use a different email method. Most of the time, these steps will fix the issue and ensure your invoices are sent without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.